Hello friends, this is Pawan Verma and today is 9th of September 2023. I'm here to here for sharing you the knowledge regarding the stock which will perform on Monday. We have identified the seven trending stock on the basis of SuperTrend as well as MACD. The signal has already been generated in this particular stocks on 8th of September and now the trend is continuing. So we have to identify the entry price where to enter into the trade and how to enter into the trade for Monday. So we will analyze one by one each stock in the chronological order. First, we should check the list. What are the stocks which are going to perform on Monday? I am sharing the screen right now. See. These are the seven stocks which had already performed well on 8th of September, or you can say that some stock has performed and some has generated the signal, uh, satisfied that buying criteria. So now these stocks are identified for Monday, that is Monday, date 11th, I think so. Yes, Monday, 11th of September 2023. So all these seven stocks are highly bullish and may perform well on Monday. So one by one we will analyze this stock. That is Shriram Finance, Hindustan Copper, Container Corporation of India, Piramal Enterprises, Dalmia Bharat, ONGC and Birla Soft. So now I am opening the chart one by one for these stocks. First we will analyze the Shriram Finance. So I am opening the chart for the Shriram Finance. See, the chart has been opened and you just see that stock has MACD has given the signal on 7th of September. SuperTrend has given the signal on opening of this on opening, that is 9:15 a.m. Here the stock has made high of 1937 on the opening itself. It has closed at around at 1937. Thereafter, the minor retracement has been seen, and stock has approached towards this trigger line, that is 1922.70. This is the trigger line initially when the first means after getting the signal. This was the trigger line where we have to enter into the trade. And this trigger line is nothing, it is the PDH. That is previous high which the stock has made. So around this trigger line, we have to acquire the stock for the day. After acquiring the stock, you just see what had happened. By the end of the day, the stock has made around was traded around 1,955 and made high of 1,959.95, but closed around 1,955. We are concerned about the closing of the candle or the body of the candle, bullish candle. So we will not consider the high, we will consider the closing of bullish candle closing. What is the closing behind it? So the stock has closed around, not around, it has closed around 1,955. So this will be the entry price for the Monday. Or when some minor correction will be seen, then the stock may retrace up to the level of 1942, you can say, or 41 or 37. And if the deep correction is there, retracement is there, then stock may touch up to 1932. Thereafter, the trend will collapse and that is the time we have to exit. We should not hold the stock at this stage. So our stop loss is 1932 maximum after acquiring the stock at around 1955. Thereafter, the target is already fixed, which has been conveyed to you all on the previous video. That is in the morning itself, 8th of September. So the target, I will again explain, that is 1963 and 2008. These are the two targets which will be met in 7 to 8 days. So entry price for the Monday is 1955, or when it retraces, the same can be acquired around 1942 to 1932. This is the zone where the stock has to be accumulated for the further gain. This is not the recommendation, this is only the criteria how to select the stock on the to enter into the trade. This is the method I am just telling you. And supported by the examples. Now comes the second stock, that is Hindustan Copper. Hindustan Copper. Hindustan Copper. This is the stock. On 8th of September, we have got the signal simultaneously in MACD as well as in SuperTrend. Thereafter, the entry level trigger price has been fixed. We are just seeing it at around 165.25. Above this, we have to acquire the stock on 8th of September. Thereafter, the stock has given the good up move on the intraday basis and has made the high of 168.95 and closed at around 168.10. So 168.10 will be our this was the price. Yes. This is our price, trigger price for entering into the trade for Monday. Or if the stock retraces to the level of 165.25, here the stock may be acquired with a stop loss of 164.65. Everything is displayed. Everything has been displayed here. Just see, when you are acquiring the stock around 165.25, then if the retracement is seen, in that case, your stop loss should be 164.75. Whereas, when you acquire the stock around 168.20 on Monday, the stop loss should be the low of this swing, that is 166.35. After that, the target has already been conveyed on the morning video of 8 September, that is 173, 179 and 193, 192 you can say, 192. So the first two targets, that is 173 and 179 will be, which can be met within the time frame, within the time say 10 days, and for achieving the target of 192, it may take around 1 month you can say. 1 month will be the time frame between it. It's much time you must give to this particular stock. So, instant copper, I have explained the entry level figure chart, where to enter. See, the positive thing here is the MACD is just entering into the bullish zone. And no pattern has been developed right now here. Breakout is seen here. Yes, pattern can be formed. It has been formed. Wait a minute, I am just making the pattern. It's only a simple triangle. See, this is the simple triangle. This is the simple triangle. Means whenever the stock reaches this level, means upward breakout. If you see upward breakout around 167 or above 168, you have to enter into the trade. The stop loss of 166.35, you can see. Or if the stock retraces to the level of 165.25, then here the stock must be acquired and the stop loss should be 164 point something, that is 164.80 for entering into the trade. Once you enter into this trade, when you have identified this level, you can enter into the trade and hold the stock till the next counter signal is generated. That is, if you see the downward crossover in the MACD, or if MACD is has not given the signal, but SuperTrend has given the signal, in that case also you should exit from the stock. Till then, one should hold for getting the profit. These are the rules one has to follow and maintain the discipline. Now, Container Corporation of India, Hong Kong. See, the signal has been generated at around 11:58 of September. Thereafter, the trigger price for the entry level has been identified. That has been picked. That is 701.15. Now, after fixing the entry price, just see how the stock has moved upward. So it has made the high of 719.35 and closed around 715.60. This is the candle which has to be breached, or the stock should trade above this price, then only we will enter into the trade for Monday. Or whenever this line has been reached by this stock, we will enter into the trade. Or we will select, this is the level where we have to buy or enter into the trade for short term or intraday basis, whatever it may be. But before that, one should not enter. Or second entry level is the again second entry level here is 701.45, which is not which will not be okay for this stock, because the sell signal will be generated if the stock is traded around 702.50. So when the signal is opposite, means counter signal has been generated, in that case the previous entry price should not be taken into the consideration. In case of Concor, there is only one entry price, that is 715.75, means 715.75 is the entry level, and the target for this particular stock is 7026. After 7026, the stock may go further upward. But here you will see the retracement from 726. From 726, after reaching this level, you will see the retracement. After that, after retracement is completed, then only the further up move will be seen. Here I am expecting that stock should retrace further as MACD is showing some weakness here to this level, 3.12. And if the stock follows this path, in that case, we have to check whether the stock is in bullish zone or turn into the negative zone, that is sell side. So if the sell signal, counter signal has been generated, in that case, one should not enter into this particular stock. Okay? But if again the buy signal has been generated and the MACD is positive, then that will be the point where you have to enter into the trade. So just check it on the trade itself, on the Monday trading day. That is Monday, you check it. Piramal Enterprises. Piramal Enterprises, yes. On 8th of September, we have seen the simultaneous signal has been generated in MACD as well as in SuperTrend. Thereafter, the stock has made the high of 1091.40. Thereafter, it has seen the retracement and the entry level trigger price, which is 1091, stock has not traded above at this on that day. That is on 8th of September, stock has not traded above 191. So whenever the stock is traded above 1091 or when the 1091 is breached and stock is above 1091 for more than 15 minutes or half an hour, in that case, one can enter into the trade. The target is 1102, 1125, 1167. First two targets will be met at the earliest, say 1 or 2 days, but 1164 will take time and may take around 10 days to achieve this target. So, Pyramid Enterprises is trending, and just we have to wait for the 1091 to be breached. Now comes Dalmia. See, Dalmia Bharat is trending from 1st of September. On 1st of September at around 11:30, SuperTrend has given the signal. Simultaneously, MACD has confirmed around 2 p.m. So both has generated the signal at around on 1st of September. Now we just see that MACD has generated the signal around 2 p.m. whereas SuperTrend at around 11:30 p.m. Here we see the previous day high for deciding the entry level. Entry level was the previous day high. You can just see this is the entry level, previous day high. This has to be breached. So after generating the signal on 1st of September, MACD on the generation of so when MACD crossover has been seen, simultaneously the stock has breached the trigger level. So we should enter the stock at around 2108. Thereafter we just see how it has gone up. Now here see savers can exit here while aggressive buyer can hold the stock because the signal in the super trend has not been counter signal has not been generated. So those who have hold because the counter signal has not been generated in the super trend, one should hold. Huh? After that, here we have got the MACD crossover, upward crossover on 8th of September, 12:30 p.m. So at this level, we have to just fix the trigger price for entry. By visual observation, you can see the stock has made high of 2,328 on 6th of September. So put a line on the close of this particular candle. That will be the trigger price for the entry level in this particular stock. So whenever the stock is traded above 2,328, one should enter or acquire this stock and hold till the MACD or SuperTrend generates a counter signal. Till then the stock must be held. But the entry level is 2,328, above 2,328 in case of Dalmia Bharat. ONGC. Very positive signal has been seen. This both the signal has been generated simultaneously. First the SuperTrend and thereafter MACD. SuperTrend has generated the signal at around 9:30 and MACD has generated the signal around 10. Half an hour difference is there. So this is the very good potential stock which may give a good up move. But after generating the signal, it is obvious that we have to fix the trigger price. So we are trying to fix the entry price. What should be the entry price? For Monday, it is 184.75 because stock has made the high of 184.95 and closed around 184.75. So 184.75 will be the entry price. If the stock is traded above this price, one should enter into the trade and hold the stock till the MACD or SuperTrend gives the counter signal. Till then one should hold. Thereafter, the second entry point will be the signal generation point. That is 183.55. This is the entry level. If the stock retraces to this level, that is 183.55, one should acquire it. And the stop loss for the same will be 182.60. If the stock is traded above 182.60, naturally the counter signal will be generated in the SuperTrend, and in that case, one should not hold the stock. The further retracement will be seen in this particular stock if this happens. So above 180, above 182.60, one can hold the stock for one can acquire the stock and hold till the counter signal is being generated. So all this is the potential stock where the signal has been generated simultaneously one by one within the difference of half an hour. So this is a very potential stock to give a good up move. Lastly, the Birla stock. See, in the Birla stock also the same pattern has been developed. Pattern means the signal strength is much more potent. Means both the signal has been generated within the difference of 15 minutes. That is 9:30. No, both the signal has been generated instantly at around 9:30 on 8th of September 2023. Means SuperTrend has also given the signal, MACD has also given the signal, but The stock has not reached the trigger line, means entry level line, that is 519.35. Entry level is fixed by after generating the signal, we have to just see backward for 1 day or 2 days. We are just seeing the accumulation or distribution. Distribution will not carry here, not taken into account, but accumulation is taken into the consideration where you are seeing just that you are seeing that 1519.35 is the level which must be breached. First of all, this should be the first thing. Second thing is you are just seeing the simple pennant formation on 8th of September. Just see the yellow line, pennant formation is there. If the stock is traded above this line, yellow line, one should acquire the stock and hold till the counter signal is being generated. As the stock has potential to reach 530, thereafter 542, 557 and 586. 586, 542, these are the monthly target you can say, but 542 can be achieved in a week's time or maximum 10 days. After the stock is being traded above 599, 519, or if this pennant is being taken away, means upward breakout is seen at this level, that is 590. So on the whole, above 590, one should acquire this stock and hold till the counter signal is being generated, and in any of the means counter signal can be generated in the SuperTrend or in MACD or in both the indicators can generate the signal simultaneously. So whenever the signal is being generated, one should exit from this particular stock. If the counter signal is being generated, till then it has the potential to move upward. So check this stock on Monday how it behaves or moves. So friends, I have explained each and every aspect of the stock, 7 stocks, which you can say that it is an example which I have quoted here to identify the trending stock as well as to fix the entry level price. Thereafter, holding of stock, the timing to hold the stock till the level of till the counter signal is not being generated. These are the 3 basic rules which I have just conveyed you all. Just follow the rules and be disciplined. You will be rewarded. So thank you very much. Please subscribe our channel for getting the latest updates regarding the stock market. And if you have any query, you can just forward the comment. The same will be clear. So thank you very much, friends. Have a nice day.